You put the wire. It's Tony here from Nothing But Custom Garage, Nothing But Custom Service Calls. We got it all. Anyway, so today we're going to be installing these 5x7 high and low beam LED headlights into our service call truck. We're going to do some before and after shots and show you guys how the install is done and also what the difference is. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
So for changing these lights out here, all you need is a star screwdriver. They just have this little chrome plate around here with 4 screws. This one only has 3 because one's missing. But yeah, you just take them, unscrew them, and plug them in. This entire time part off time lapse and use it. Speaking of which, legs and like iMac would be nice because I can really install them. One day, yeah, just hopefully get there not too far from one. We can have a thing you can put here on. Nice. Then once you take it out, there's just a little plug. No clips or anything, you just pull it back. And then you see this one here is the other plug, and you just plug it all together.
Okay.
Or can we cut that out?
No, we can cut that out. Yeah,
this one.
Bye-bye. And tell you what, Justin, can stick it up if over again. Okay. Okay. We're gonna start talking time lapse. Exactly. It'll be time lapse with music, and this will be complete. So we're freaking fast. That's good.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
What?
And then one screw is a good idea.
Switch. And switch back. Perfect.